I'm a hoochie coochie man. Outside, just made Mojo. I'm a few hours. Ain't that right? Another oh child, why felt that boy, my man, I'm a hoochie man. I'm a man, I'm a natural old rose man. The line of my shoes, I wouldn't have been. When I make love to a woman, she came to ain't never made. Don't oh, child. That poor baby boy. I'm a when I was a young boy, about the age of 5, my mother said I want to be Mojo, the greatest man alive. But when I said Mojo, I had to be in the eye. And I know Reggie, I heard how much he's the greatest man alive. I think I put down Mojo. Okay, that's the two. Bring back that second good in your gun. John X. Conqueror. So all them girls, Mojo, stand out there in line. We can make love to all of them. And we ain't lying, right, Mojo? He's a man. He's a man, he's a man. He's a man, he's a man. He's a hoochie.